Hello, everyone, and welcome to our post. Today, we are honored to have with us a highly respected academic leader, Miss Rajeshri Garu, ISO College Principal. So, today we are going to have a insight information about skill development and on the foundation. Welcome to today's podcast. Ma'am.
Welcome, Seth.
So, first of all, we would like to thank you for attending the podcast today. So, before we begin, I would like to know about yourself and your experiences with the Antik Foundation.
Yeah, definitely sure. First of all, I thank you for giving me the opportunity for podcasting myself. So, as you know, my name is Rajeshri. I'm working as a current principal of ISO Degree College, and also I'm a computer lecturer here. I'm working here since from 15 years. So next, what you asked regarding our college.
Yeah. What is your experience with Antik Foundation?
Okay, my experience with our college experience with Anudip is our collaboration with Anudip is since from 2 years. We are in collaboration with Anudip, so it's going on, and we are happy, and our students are happy. Why? Because our college gives education, but skill development we are getting to our students from Anudip. So that's why we are in collaboration with Anudip since from 2 years. You want to continue this series.
Okay. So, in this concern, I would like to ask, how did you collaborate with Antik Foundation?
Yeah, how means see 2 years.
See, I mean, like, what made you to collaborate with Antik Foundation?
Okay. So actually, see, many companies visiting our college in collaboration, like NGOs, they visited our college. Okay. I don't want to mention the names, but a few of the companies visited. So when they came, we have seen, and as we have given a chance for other companies, last year we have given opportunity for Anudip in order to collaborate with our college, and we have seen good result. Whatever the confidence which we didn't find in our students, we observed the confidence after completing their training. We have seen they came forward and answered. Before we used to ask any question, they used to unable to answer to us. So after completing their training, if they asked them for any question without feeling any shy, they used to come forward and answer to us. And whatever the job opportunities they gave last year also, uh, we found it very good way. So that's why we continued this year also.
Okay. Thank you. So, good to hear that. So, what are the skills and strengths did you find in candidate after trained with Antik Foundation?
Yeah. See, actually, ours is an educational institute. Definitely, we provide good communication skills to students. But since this is affiliated to Usmania University and it's a semester system, mainly our lecturer concentration will be basically on syllabus only. We have to complete the academic syllabus. But extra, whatever the skills we want to provide to students, in that time period, we would unable to do them. So what happened with this Anudip is they are taking some extra asks for students, and basically they are trying to improve their communication skills, personality development, soft skills. Because not only soft skills but also IT related skills. So our students are gaining. So something is better than nothing. No, that's why some knowledge our students are gaining. Because of that, we are happy with.
Okay. Thank you so much for that. So, in this segment, I want to ask you, like, what are your expectations from Andik Foundation?
See, simple. We don't have much expectations. It's a very simple thing that, see, whatever the students we are sending to Anudik for training, just all our students are just from middle class background. And the strength in our students is they want to live independently. They don't want to depend upon their parents. Even though for the pocket money also, they want to put their own. We observed them since from last 2 years. Now they came to find their. So because of their middle class background, whatever the job requirement they were searching for, basically they may have good knowledge only. Based on that knowledge, if you place the students in big companies, we will be the most happiest people.
Yeah, definitely. No? So, from your perspective, how Anudeep is impact on the candidate?
Yeah, what I observed, I will say. I can't say about all the students' mentalities, but students who come to us and what we observed, I'm saying, no, they're mainly disciplined. We observed student got well disciplined, and whatever the communication they are speaking nowadays is also, we are finding it in very good way.
So, have you seen real transformation from in your candidates
Yeah,
after
definitely.
taking training from Andy?
Yeah, definitely has seen the transformation. How I'm saying is yesterday, as you know, we have done placements at our college. So before, when we used to call the students, give me introduction to yourself, we used to ask the students. So they used to not come forward. Yesterday we observed the students. You see, we, as I said, we definitely give the education, but you are giving empowerment to students. So where there is employability and education, you are bridging, you are is another foundation is like a bridge between education and employability. That empowerment you are giving to our students, which we like it, and which we observe in our students. Their self-confidence is the main what we have say.
Uh, I want to ask you one thing. How does Anudeep help you?
Help me or my students?
No, you in the sense your candidates.
Yeah, as I said, no, through skills. See, mainly skills are important. Why? Because students' first need is self-confidence. Okay. What I observed in our students is they build their self-confidence. When they are confident among themselves, even though someday or the other day they may find failure, so they think that that failure is a stepping stones to success. So because of that, we find okay.
Okay. Fine. So, how about the trainers, ma'am?
Trainers, yeah. Actually, when we collaborated with Anudeep, we found different trainers. This year, we got two trainers. One is for soft skills, Shweta, and the other is for IT. And Ramana sir. We have took feedback from our students. You got a good feedback from both of them.
So, how about
See how it will be. See, there is a difference between a lecturer and a trainer. A lecturer, what we do is we go to class and we explain to students whatever we will explain in the class, they will note it down. And in that time period, if they have any doubts, they raise us, we will answer. But the training period is not like that. They don't move with us like a friends. But trainers, how they move is like whatever the doubts they have, they used to pause the session and immediately they started raising their doubts. And the trainers used to answer their doubts. Like they used to have some friendly environment.
so you are satisfied with the training part and the trainer?
At present, we are satisfied. A little small changes should be done, and basically, no one is
And
yeah.
discuss about it. So, ma'am, I want to like ask you, how do you want to see Anudeep in future? What is your future outlook for Anudeep?
See, what is the future output is whatever Arudik Foundation is doing, it's really good, excellent. Okay. So, whatever it is doing for our college, that opportunity should be utilized by other colleges too. And since it's an NGO program, definitely we appreciate them. And we see in a highway zone.
Oh, okay, fine. So let's start with a rapid fire round, ma'am. So, one word about Anudeep Foundation.
Empowering students.
Empowering students. Okay. Okay. One quality you admire in Anudeep Foundation. One quality you admire in Anudeep Foundation.
One quality we admire in Anudik Foundation means, see, what not everything. See, from basic to placement, everything we like in the.
So, what is your college aim to look after Anudeep Foundation?
See, management actually, our director of college is Dr. T. Vimoda Venkat Swamy. She established our college in 1995, and being a woman successfully, she is running the college since from 30 years. And chairman, her husband, Dr. Venkat Swamy Garu, he is a backbone of our ma'am. So, what what is a good nature of our director is she gives a chance, she gives the opportunities for whatever the programs we conducted. She definitely encourages us. And what we observed since from Anudeep from 2 years is also the same. We go with the flow. And what I want to suggest is whatever Anudeep Foundation is doing till now is okay. But you go with the market, go with the trend. So digital technology has become more popular nowadays. So little bit small changes you should make.
So this is the suggestion you are giving.
Yeah, suggestion. I'm here to another open. So go with the trend. What is in the market? Give that courses to students. Definitely. Now I said no, you're already up to some mark. Whatever the small minor things are there, that also you'll be in some high level. And whatever the job opportunities you are giving to the students, it will be also up to the mark if you go more, if you focus more on IT related jobs. Why? Because mostly many students will look up at IT related jobs only. So main if you focus on IT related jobs, so no one can stop you. No other NDO can stop you. That is it.
So on the scale of 5, how much you want to give for Andeep?
Definitely I can give 5 to 5. But if
So after your suggestions, we will be taking all your suggestions, considering your suggestions. So future we might get into that. Okay. So thank you so much, ma'am, for coming to our podcast and sharing your insightful information with us. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.